Welcome to Tips and Tricks for November 2024. This month, a brief look at the design tool.
This is like the oldest example there is. You can see this is what came into UnForm, just plain text. So UnForm has detection logic, so it can look for patterns or literal values at different places on the page. And then it has these different commands that it will apply, like text, box, image, just various things like that. And when it runs, let me make sure I've got my, okay, I'll do a PDF preview. By the way, this is our design tool. So I'm just looking at a sample that came from an ERP, and I'm going to show what UnForm does to it. So for the most part, in this example, it's very simple because we're just passing through everything that was in here straight through and building a form around it. So that's the very simplest thing. Then I think we've got some other samples that are going to do a little bit more. And this one still has the exact same data, but now we're going to be doing some calculations. I think we're doing some calculations. Maybe not. Let's see. I know we're doing some copies, some fonting. You can see we changed to a proportional font. We've got some bold stuff. We've added a barcode. We've done a customer copy and an accounting copy and a packing slip where we erased the pricing. So this all came out of, just this, what we call a rule set that is applying things to the existing input stream and messing around with it. Now let me go see if I can find a different rule set sample that does a little bit more. So I'll take that same invoice input stream, exact same data, but this time we're going to add some calculation work. So UnForm has a built-in programming environment. So if you need to move things around, apply special calculations to it, you can do that. Multi-copy logic. If it's the pack copy, change the document title, and that value is going to be used somewhere. What else do we do? We've got expressions like your ship code is and a value from the data someplace. So let's just go ahead and run this. And it's right, your code is, your ship code is. So those were dynamically calculated values.
Thank you, Alan. To learn more and review our library of videos, go to the UnForm support portal. The link is in the description below. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tips and tricks, please email dans@synergetic-data.com. For UnForm tips and tricks, thank you. We look forward to seeing you again next month.